I'm sure you've heard the news. GTA 5 is still one of the hottest games around. But what if I told you there's a way to crank up your gameplay to insane levels? Let's break down the Dream Team components for this insane setup. Front and center, the NVIDIA RTX 4070 graphics card. This beast handles 1440p like a charm, and even dips its toes into 4K territory. With 12 GB of GDDR6X memory, you're looking at smooth textures and stunning visuals. Next up, the brains behind the Brawn processors. Got a bit of extra cash? Go for the Intel Core i7 14700K or AMD Ryzen 7 9800X3D. Otherwise, the Intel Core i5 14600KF or AMD Ryzen 5 7600X delivers bang for your buck. Memory-wise, we're talking 32 GB DDR4 or DDR5 RAM. Sure, 16 GB cuts it, but 32 GB preps you for the future and hardcore multitasking. And for storage, a 1TB NVMe SSD keeps your loading times lightning fast. If you're a game collector, consider going for 2 TB. All these powerhouse components need a sturdy mothership, so pick a motherboard that fits your CPU and RAM perfectly. A 750W80 Plus Gold PSU will keep everything running smoothly, and don't skimp on cooling. Either a top-notch air cooler or an AIO liquid cooler will do. And finally, wrap it all up in a case with great airflow, and you're golden. Once your rig is ready, tweak those GTA 5 settings. Crank up the texture quality and shadows, but keep an eye on that frame rate. The RTX 4070 will have you cruising through Los Santos at well over 60 FPS on high or ultra settings, even at 4K. So, there you have it. Your ultimate GTA 5 setup with the RTX 4070. Time to make Los Santos your playground like never before. Happy gaming!